Let me take you through what might just be one of the most impressive ships Norwegian Cruise Line has ever built. The Norwegian Escape launched in 2015 as the crown jewel of the Breakaway Plus class, and honestly, it still holds up remarkably well nearly a decade later. This floating city can accommodate over 4,200 guests when fully loaded, which sounds intimidating until you realize how cleverly they have distributed all of that space across 20 decks. What strikes you first about this ship is its sheer scale and ambition. At 165,157 gross tons, the Norwegian Escape is not just big for the sake of being big. Every square foot seems purposefully designed to offer something different, whether you are a family with young kids, a couple looking for romance, or someone traveling solo who wants options. The ship primarily calls Miami home, which makes perfect sense given its focus on Caribbean itineraries. The recent 2023 refurbishment really shows, too. They have updated everything from the staterooms to the public areas, upgraded the Wi-Fi infrastructure, and even made sustainability improvements. You can tell Norwegian took guest feedback seriously and invested real money into making this ship better. The LED lighting upgrade alone probably saves them a fortune, while making everything look more modern and bright. When it comes to where you will lay your head each night, Norwegian Escape offers something for virtually every budget and preference. The inside staterooms might not have windows, but they've gotten creative with virtual balconies in some rooms. Imagine having a massive screen showing real-time ocean views right from your cabin. It sounds gimmicky, but guests seem to love it, especially when you consider these rooms start at the lowest price point. The ocean view staterooms give you that crucial natural light and actual ocean views that some people just cannot cruise without. These rooms typically run about 175 to 195 square feet, which is honestly pretty standard for the industry. You get your basic amenities like flat-screen TV, decent storage, and a functional bathroom with shower. Nothing fancy, but everything you need for a comfortable stay. Now, if you want to step things up, the balcony staterooms are where most experienced cruisers end up. Having that private outdoor space changes everything about your cruise experience. You can have morning coffee watching the sunrise, enjoy room service dinner under the stars, or just escape the crowds whenever you need some quiet time. The balconies are not massive, but they fit a small table and chairs comfortably. The mini suites bridge the gap between regular staterooms and full suites nicely. You get significantly more space, often including walk-in closets and upgraded bathrooms, some even with whirlpool tubs. For couples or small families who want more room to spread out without paying sweet prices, these represent excellent value. Then there is the Haven, which is basically a ship within a ship. These suites come with butler service, concierge assistance, and exclusive access to private areas, including a courtyard and pool. The Haven Deluxe Owner's Suite can exceed 970 square feet when you include the massive balcony. You also get priority everything: boarding, dining reservations, and disembarkation. The price jump is substantial, but if you can afford it, the personalized service and extra space make it worthwhile. Norwegian Escape takes dining seriously, offering over a dozen different venues, ranging from complimentary to specialty restaurants that require reservations and additional fees. The Manhattan Room serves as the main dining room, offering contemporary American cuisine with international influences. The freestyle dining concept means no assigned seating times, which most guests appreciate for the flexibility it provides. Garden Cafe operates as the main buffet, and they have really improved the layout and food quality over the years. You will find live cooking stations, international cuisines, and rotating specialties throughout the day. The selection stays fresh, and they do a good job managing crowds during peak dining times. Oshihan's Neighborhood Bar and Grill provides that casual pub atmosphere with comfort food favorites, perfect for watching sports or just grabbing a quick bite. The specialty dining options are where Norwegian Escape really shines. Cagney's Steakhouse consistently ranks among the best at sea, serving premium cuts of beef alongside fresh seafood. The prices reflect the quality, but most guests consider it worth the splurge for a special night out. La Cucina brings authentic Italian flavors with handmade pasta and classic preparations that would make your Italian grandmother proud. Moderno Churrascaria offers the full Brazilian steakhouse experience with endless grilled meats, brought tableside, and an impressive salad bar. Food Republic takes a more modern approach with global street food influences, mixing Asian, Latin, and American fusion dishes. The variety ensures that even the pickiest eaters will find something appealing. The beverage program includes everything from casual bars to sophisticated lounges. The District Brewhouse focuses on craft beers and elevated pub fare, while Sugarcane Mojito Bar brings Caribbean flair with tropical cocktails. Bliss Ultra Lounge transforms into a nightclub after dinner, complete with DJs and dancing for those wanting to party late into the night. The pool areas on Norwegian Escape cater to different moods and demographics effectively. The main pool deck can get crowded during sea days, but they have managed the space well with 3 distinct pools. The family pool stays busy with kids and parents, while the adults-only pool offers a more relaxed atmosphere for those seeking quieter pool time. The real highlight for families is the Aqua Park, featuring 2 multi-story water slides that provide genuine thrills. The splash zones keep younger children entertained, while parents can supervise from nearby seating areas. Multiple hot tubs are scattered around the pool decks, and they maintain good temperatures even on cooler days. Sun deck space is plentiful with hundreds of loungers available, though securing prime spots requires some strategy during busy days. The ship offers cabana rentals for those wanting guaranteed shade and service, though the prices reflect the premium nature of this option. The outdoor areas really showcase the ship's size advantage, providing enough space that you rarely feel completely overcrowded. The jogging track wraps around the upper deck, offering great ocean views while you exercise. They have also included a basketball court and mini-golf course, which families particularly enjoy during sea days. The ropes course adds an adventure element that you would not expect on a cruise ship, though it does require additional fees and has height restrictions. Norwegian Escape delivers impressive entertainment options that go well beyond the typical cruise ship offerings. The Escape Theater hosts Broadway-style productions that genuinely compete with land-based shows in terms of production value and talent. The comedy shows tend to be hit or miss depending on the performers, but they usually manage to entertain most audiences. The casino spans a significant portion of one deck, featuring hundreds of slot machines, table games, and a dedicated poker room. Even non-gamblers often enjoy the energy and excitement, especially during tournaments and special events. The gaming staff is knowledgeable and helpful for beginners wanting to learn new games. Multiple lounges and nightclubs provide entertainment well into the early morning hours. Live music venues showcase different genres throughout the week, from jazz to rock to Caribbean steel drum performances. The ship also hosts enrichment activities like guest lectures, cooking demonstrations, wine tastings, and art auctions for those seeking more educational entertainment. Daily activities keep guests busy with trivia contests, dance classes, pool games, and fitness challenges. The activity staff does an excellent job engaging participants and creating a fun atmosphere. Theme parties and special events add variety, especially during holiday cruises and special sailing occasions. The Mandara Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience that rivals many land-based facilities. Treatment options include massages, facials, body wraps, acupuncture, and full salon services. The thermal suite with sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas offers a peaceful retreat from the ship's busier areas. The fitness center features state-of-the-art equipment and stays open long hours to accommodate different schedules. Group classes include yoga, Pilates, spinning, and various fitness boot camps led by certified instructors. Personal training sessions are available for those wanting customized workout plans or specialized instruction. Wellness programs extend beyond physical fitness to include seminars on nutrition, stress management, and healthy living. The spa staff is professional and knowledgeable, though prices reflect the premium nature of the services. Many guests find the spa experience worth the investment, especially on longer cruises when relaxation becomes a priority. The hydrotherapy pools and heated tile loungers provide therapeutic benefits while you enjoy ocean views. Couples massage rooms allow partners to enjoy treatments together, which proves popular for anniversaries and special occasions. The spa's location on upper decks means natural light and ocean views enhance the relaxation experience. Families will find Norwegian Escape exceptionally well equipped for traveling with children of all ages. Splash Academy serves kids aged 3 to 12 with age-appropriate activities including arts and crafts, games, and themed events. The facilities are colorful, safe, and staffed by trained youth counselors who genuinely seem to enjoy working with children. The teen program, called Entourage, provides dedicated space and activities for teenagers who often struggle to find their place on family cruises. Video games, music, social events, and teen-only parties help keep this age group engaged and happy. The teen lounge design reflects current trends and provides a cool hangout space away from parents. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our Best Cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.